You will start again, madam, or you want me to do?
Yeah, we can continue, sir.
For some time, and then you will take over. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let
I
question.
wish all the people will open their videos. You please open your video. Yeah, Padma, then Sai.
Is
Sai Charan, you
Pratyusha
are in Anantapur or Hyderabad? Sai?
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Yashwini is there. Kirtana. Yeah. Morning, every day, it is an exercise for me, not for you. I am giving some questions and I am expecting the answers by the evening. Some of the younger generation, I think they are not getting the questions. I do not know. Madam, let them also join in this group and they will also do whatever it is. Parli, you have not replied today.
Sir, yes, sir. I was at church. On Sunday
because of Sunday we might have gone to church or something like that. Sai also has not tried. Padma has replied. She has replied. Sneha, your examinations are over, Sneha?
Yes, sir. The new session has also started.
Achha, right. Now I will discuss about the questions which I have given in the morning. I will ask one by one, and if you can give the reply, then I will conclude it with another other additional information. What are the Navaratnas? Sai, can you tell?
Navaratnas are funded by within 1,000 crores, aided by government, which we have. One of the Navaratnas was BHEL.
BHEL? No,
not BHEL.
BEL.
Achha, Bharat Electronics Limited.
Where is the headquarters?
Bangalore.
Yeah, wonderful. Then any other information, Parli? Have you attempted Navaratnas?
No, sir.
Yeah, I will give you the information. You please note down. Number one is BEL, Bharat Electronics Corporation Limited. The headquarters is Bangalore. And number two is Container Corporation of India. What is this Container Corporation? Any idea, Yashwini?
No, sir.
No idea. Parli?
No, sir.
No. Sai?
Container Corporation Limited was for exporting containers, they are exporting, they are creating containers for the
it belongs to railways and they use these containers for transportation. That is the answer. And the headquarters is Delhi. Then comes Engineers India Limited. The headquarters is Delhi, Engineers India Limited. Headquarters is Delhi, and they have regional offices at Chennai, Calcutta, and Vadodara. Then HAL, I will ask Padma. What is HAL, Padma?
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, sir.
Yeah. Where is the head office?
Bangalore.
Yeah. The head office is Bangalore. They produce these aircrafts. And then MTNL. What is MTNL? Any idea, Ashwini? MTNL. Yashwini?
No, sir.
No idea. Kirtana?
Marple Township Little League.
Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. It is with Sneha in Delhi.
Yes, sir. We had the network before, but we changed.
Yeah. And then comes NALCO. 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 Any expansion? Sai, can you expand?
Sir, can you please repeat?
What is it? NALCO. NALCO.
No, sir, no.
National Aluminium Limited Corporation. National Aluminium Limited Corporation. It's also one of the Navaratnas. And where is the headquarters? Can any guess? Wild guess.
Bhubaneswar.
Maybe Vizag.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Bhubaneswar. And they export material from Vizag port. And it is the largest in Asia. You please note down. The corporation is the largest in Asia in producing bauxite. And the present CMD is Sridhar Patra. Normally, all these are headed by IAS officers. Sridhar Patra. And then comes National Buildings Construction Corporation. It is also in Delhi. They construct buildings. And to have the history of these PSUs, in 1951, when we started our planning, there were only 5 PSUs. It was the regime of Jawaharlal Nehru, and there were only 5 PSUs. And later, all the governments of Congress, they encouraged these PSUs. And by 2019, it has become 348 PSUs. And one name you have to remember, father of PSUs. Any guess? Dr. V. Krishnamurthy. And this PSU model, it is named after one Mr. P.S. Mahalanobis model. P.S. Mahalanobis. Mahalanobis.
In the 5-year plans, we came across this name. No,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
last time.
Correct.
Second 5-year plan.
Yeah. And by 1991, there was a very, very poor performance. So most of the PSUs have been wounded up. And there are 4 categories in Navaratnas. Number 1 is Maharatna. Number 2 is Navaratna. Number 3, Mini Ratna category 1. Number 4, category 2, Mini Ratna category 2. And there may be a question, how many PSUs are making profit? Some of the companies I will tell you, you please note down. IOC, what is IOC?
Indian Oil Corporation.
Right, wonderful. ONGC?
National Gas Corporation.
Huh?
Natural Gas Corporation.
Yes, what about O?
Oil and Natural Gas Corporation.
Wonderful, wonderful. Where is the headquarters? Anybody? It is in Dehradun. The headquarters is in Dehradun. And then NTPC, Power Grid Corporation, Coal India, Bharat Petroleum, I will read again, IOC, ONGC, NTPC, Coal India, Power Grid Corporation, all these are profit-making PSUs. Bharat Petroleum, Power Finance Corporation, BSNL, till recently, Hindustan Petroleum, and GAIL. What is GAIL? Padma, you should expand. GAIL. Padma.
No idea, sir.
GAIL. Any idea? Gas Authority of India Limited. Gas Authority of India Limited. Headquarters is Delhi. Till recently, one of our Andhras was the chairman and managing director, Mr. C.R. Prasad. He retired about 2005 or so. And loss-making PSUs, that also you should note down. Loss-making PSUs. Air India, India Post, MTNL, National Textile Corporation. This is the history of PSUs. You should be thorough with this PSU system, and the present government of Modi, they are winding up all the PSUs to start with our Vizag steel plant. There is a lot of agitation, but government has already sold the place and what. Then comes, I will ask the question one by one. You should tell. Ms. Kirtana, Where is coffee board? ఇంట్లో కిచెన్ లో ఉంటుందా కాఫీ బోర్డ్?
No, sir.
No idea. It is in Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. An IAS officer heads the department. It started way back in 1942. Till 1995. Who was the Prime Minister in 1995? Charan?
1995.
Huh?
PV Narasimha.
Wonderful. 91 to 96, he was there. Due to his liberalization, this government has taken a decision to make this coffee industry a privatized body. So from 1995 onwards, the coffee boards are all there. In Delhi and other places, you can see the outlets of coffee board. You will have a wonderful coffee. In Shimla also, we tasted several times. Then comes a tea board. This I will ask Padma. Where is tea board, Padma? Emma,
గుంటూరు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్.
ఎక్కడమ్మా?
గుంటూరు సార్.
వినపడలా నాకు.
గుంటూరు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్.
గుంటూరు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ టొబాకో బోర్డు అది, టీ బోర్డు కాదు. గుంటూరు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అది కూడా రాసుకోండి, టొబాకో బోర్డ్. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ టీ బోర్డ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ కలకత్తా and it is in the Ministry of Commerce. Coffee board also in the Ministry of Commerce. In 1903, this tea board was organized. And from 1st of April 1954, the government has taken over and they are improving the production of tea, and the vendors and the producers are also benefited by that. And then comes National Jute Board. Parli, you make a wild guess. Where is National Jute Board? वो झूठ बोलता है वही है? नहीं, झूठ बोलता नहीं.
స్నేహ
ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఊరికే గెస్ చేయమ్మా. ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువగా జూట్ దొరుకుతుంది? ఏ స్టేట్ లో? సాయి, కెన్ యు టెల్?
Sir, Punjab.
No, Calcutta.
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Yeah, you please note down. National Jute Board, the headquarters is in Calcutta, and they have started a Hyderabad regional office also, Nampalli, and it comes under Ministry of Textiles. And it was organized in February 2009. Then comes Spices Board. The headquarters is in Kochi. Where is Kochi?
Kerala.
కేరళ.
Kerala. Yeah, Cochin. Cochin, it has a port, and Cochin has the High Court for entire Kerala. There is no High Court in Trivandrum. The Cochin is the headquarters for the High Court. And then tobacco. As Padma has told, Guntur is the place for it. And the main objective of it is the Tamil Nadu small tea growers. For the tea board, the activities have started as a society, and it is in Kannanur. Where is Kannanur?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, yes. And one lady, all these boards are headed by IAS officers. Tomorrow you may go there as the director or CMD or whatever it is. I am happy to inform you today, one of our students, Mr. Karthik, he has telephoned me just now. He has joined as assistant collector for training at Kadapa. Earlier, Mr. Gopal Krishna was also there in the same place at Kadapa. He will be there up to April. I requested him to deliver a lecture for our students. And he said, let me settle down, sir. After 2-3 weeks, I will talk to the students, he said. Another important thing this morning happened, Muchala Raju. Who is Muchala Raju? Any idea? Other than Sai, please tell. Muchala Raju. Diamond merchant, huh?
థర్డ్ ర్యాంకర్.
Huh? 2007 IAS topper. He hails from a small village in Krishna district. And he is an MTech Kharagpur. And he topped the list. He is a very good friend of mine. He just now telephoned me saying that, sir, he has been posted as CMO, Chief Minister's Office of Jagan Mohan Reddy. He is now heading that CMO office. He is additional secretary there. Earlier, he was in Nellore district and then later posted as Elur collector also. And this question bank, all of you please make them into a folder. And I will be sending you for another 70 days. And all these questions will be useful for you in the last minute to once again refresh and have the information. So you please have the key while I was the one. And our friend Mr. Potai Sharma, he promised that by first week of May, he will be sending 100 questions. Last year also he says 23 questions have appeared, out of which he has guessed. So I will distribute all these 100 questions when he sends us. And I hope all of you should study very well, particularly Padma Reddy and Sai Charan. Please take care, and both of you please apply at least 1 month leave, complete June. Sai, they will give you leave.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They will give. Yeah.
You please take leave, and if possible, you send your wife also to some place. Yeah. Thank you, madam. You please come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you very much. Dear students, we will join once again. I will